What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and I said it was going to be 24 hours, but we just decided it's going to be a 48-hour trip. So we are about to get in the Jeep at like 8 o'clock. So we're ready, and we're ready to hit some road. Y'all ready to get in the Jeep?
Yeah!
Alright, let's go. We decided that we were gonna come early. We're, making our way. We made it all the way to Wendy's. That is what going camping with children is like. You stop immediately. Am I right?
Children, it's me.
Oh, see, I wasn't blaming the children. It was her.
No, it's me.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, we're gonna be there tonight and setting up camp at dark. So you might not see too much of us setting up camp, but it is what it is. You'll see us hanging out and having a good time. So stay tuned. Alright, so we got in super late last night. I don't think we went to bed until like 4 o'clock. I was actually the first one up. Got the fire started.
Actually, I was the first one.
You were the first one? Okay, he was the first one up, then me. But yeah, we got the fire going. Now we're cooking some bacon. The twins are up. Taylor's still asleep. She's getting some nice needed sleep, so that's good. But yeah, we're just hanging out, Texas A&M, that's right. You got anything to say?
Keep the adventure going.
There you go. Keep the adventure going. But yeah, we're just going to keep on. We're going to be hitting the trails here soon. So definitely stay tuned. We're going to have some fun here in a little while. Hey, you think you can disconnect for me?
What's disconnect?
Remember how you did the disconnect video?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
I don't know how. I
He can do
forgot.
it. We'll see. Well, we found a little trail behind the campsite, so we're doing a little walk here. It's kind of cool, little path. We were hoping it ended the water, but it doesn't.
Trying to get a branch from a
Oh shit! Dude, you can't record that. That was a bad throw.
I did a slow-mo of that.
I had good throws before. Watch out, Cole. I don't want to hit you with the rock.
We're about to hit the trails. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, he's ready. We got to air down real quick and disconnect, and then we'll be hitting the trails. You ready to hit the trails, Lon?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna have some fun today. Say see ya.
See ya.
So a quick tip, pick up some JT Brooks. These things are amazing and time savers. You literally just set them and then screw them in, and it'll deflate the tires to what you want it to be at. So it's very convenient, especially when you have a family and run around doing 1,000 things. You don't really have to worry about it. I literally just screw this in real quick and walk away. So, but yeah, we're about to hit the trails. Everyone's ready.
Okay, good. You have them. Ready.
We're ready. All right, so now we're actually gonna hit the trails. We're all aired down, disconnected. We're about to have some fun.
We're on the trail.
Oh, yo, they bashed
What
the
is that?
windshield too. I'm telling you, it's abandoned.
Okay,
That's so weird.
Dude, let's take the convertible.
let's get out and check this out.
Let's check it out.
I got.
Bruh. Crazy. Broken glass. This is someone's car.
It looks like it got like.
Where's the body? That's all I'm saying. This is sketchy. We got
JB,
a
go ahead, pull
broken
up, and then I'll get
windshield. We got Petey.
Yeah,
and we got. Oh, gotcha. Alright, so we made it to the top of Flagpole. I'm over here flexed out on a tree. Ben's parked. Everyone's loving it. Look at the scenery behind me. It's just gorgeous. So beautiful. It really, even the camera does not do this justice. It's so beautiful. It was a very easy trail. I could have been in two-wheel drive pretty much the whole time. But it was fun. The twins went right to sleep, and then of course our kids love the trails. So it's been fun. We're gonna probably go to another spot here in a little bit. And yeah, we'll see. I think there's a couple of spots over here that we can get flexed out and have some fun. Let's see. All right, we got Petey up here climbing. It's gonna be a pretty fun thing to watch. Don't fall. Don't hurt yourself. Or do.
Don't worry, your hat will be a nice cushion.
Wow, he's actually climbing it.
Oh man. There you go, Petey.
You should be good. Come on, let's go.
I need my glasses.
I'm definitely going up there right now.
Are you
Who thinks I should climb it?
You have a better shot than me. You got more.
I'm doing it. Alright, so if you're in the West Virginia area, definitely come out here. This is a great place to kind of begin, I would say. You can take your family out here, which is really nice, and it's not too crazy, so it's a good break-in. Stock Jeeps can do this very easily. It's a very mellow trail, and it's really beautiful. But yeah, I guess we're gonna be heading to another spot, another lookout, and then we'll be yeah, doing some more trails. What's up, everyone? So we made it. Look at this behind me. The highest spot in Virginia here. So sorry for me. It's very windy up here. But yeah, this video does not do this justice. It's ridiculous. So gorgeous. So gorgeous.
Hey, Barry.
What's up? What's up, Petey?
Taylor wants you to back up a little bit.
Okay. Guess I'm backing up real quick. Highest
To
spot.
the highest point in Virginia, and y'all, video does not do this place justice.
This is gorgeous. Well, we found this kind of cool little creek, little river, I guess. It's more of a creek, but parked over here on the trail / creek crossing. I'm just kind of checking it out. We're heading back to camp, you know, and probably have some fun around the fire. So stay tuned for some more fun, some more shenanigans, and some, I don't know, we'll be doing stupid things like always probably. But yeah, let's go. We got a fire going. I got some sausage right there. You see that creation? Boom, sausage. And then we got our camp chef over here.
Not me.
Petey, where you at, bro?
What is it? What'd you say?
Camp chef over here, killing it.
Yeah, bro.
Explain the cuisine.
Yeah, you gotta
Oh,
explain
that
it.
butter just fell on the floor. Okay, so we got some thin sliced pork chops. You gotta cook them on either side for about a minute. Then take them, cut them up, get them ready for a sandwich. Then you put a little bit of mayo on the bread. Then you get some provolone cheese. You jam that shit together. Put a little bit of extra mayo, just cause. Usually you should use adobo. I forgot mine.
This is way too long. Lost.
You got that? It is good.
This is very good.
It's very good. Got the sausage, the hot dogs. The kids are moving some water from the Jeep to the cooler.
What?
The twins are straight chilling. Look at Cassie just hanging out. Super comfortable.
Got a blankie and
It
everything.
looks crazy comfortable.
Settled in.
Taylor's eating a hot dog, which never happens, only camping.
It's not that good, but
Oh, well, I got sausage right now on my little creation.
I'm hungry.
But yeah, other than that, we're gonna be hanging out, having a fire, and chilling. So be ready for some funny stuff.
I'll put it out if I need to.
I have successfully turned PD into a pyro.
Let's give a wand and
Looks like he's trying to make a fire tornado. Look at mine though. My fire. TV's fire.
Dude, but mine just spews danger. Yours spews safety.
As Taylor's getting lit up. Ow. Oh, it's hot. It's getting real hot up in this beach. Oh my god. Ah! Ah!
I'm not staying.
Well,
I'm only bringing one
we just
chair
had a
and
little
it's gonna be mine.
hailstorm come through, but I'm still sitting by the fire. I got everyone else behind me now, sitting by the fire. They were all under the tent. It's kind of calmed down. But yeah, a hailstorm of all things.
In the middle
While
of the
camping.
forest.
Okay, it was supposed to be clear tonight, but no.
That's why we couldn't get the transmission.
That's what
because there was a
happens to us.
hailstorm.
Oh my gosh.
Well, we-
Well, it's the end of a long day. The kids are in the tent. The twins are on the parents. Taylor's exhausted. I guess we'll see what tomorrow brings. Alright everyone, it's the morning time. It is freezing cold. It is 32 degrees and it is about 10:30 now. We pretty much woke up, got the Jeep packed real quick. I'm airing up, as you can tell. I got one more connection to do with the sway bar and then we're gonna be booking it back here in a while. But yeah, I'll do the closing video after some driving because we might see some kind of cool stuff. It's gonna be really pretty. But yeah, other than that, it was a cold night. We were miserable. Not really sleeping, but once we woke up, no one wanted to do anything. But it is what it is. We'll get this tire aired up and get home where it's nice and warm.
Oh my god.
Stopped at a little scenic spot on the highway real quick. It's gorgeous.
Go down over there.
She's taking pictures.
Yeah.
Kids are enjoying it. It's a beautiful view. Well guys, we're finally back home. We took everything out of the Jeep real quick. We are so ready to take a shower. So ready. Yeah, it hailed on us last night. It was freezing this morning. So we really didn't get too much video of that because we were just trying to get the Jeep packed up and get home. But give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. And also, click the link in the description. I'm going to throw Taylor's page, Jeep Her Adventure. She's got even more video. And Cassie's page, Jeep Gear and Gadgets. You're going to want to check those two out. And of course, Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets, check his page. So all three of those are going to be in the description of the video, as well as our beanies that we were wearing this entire weekend to keep our heads warm. But yeah, I mean, that's it for this video. Like always, keep the adventure going.